Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how to create a database snapshot. So to create snapshot, we have to use a TSQL create database snapshot of pubs. So create a database snapshot of pubs. So this is our database name. Here we are giving database name as pubs, and this one here denotes the snapshot name. Then on open and close parenthesis, name here we are giving it as pubs. So this is not a database name, this is actually the data file name. Then file name, this is actual physical storage media, F drive temp1, and here is our snapshot name, and here we give extension as SNP. So this is the snapshot name at a database level. SQL Server knows that a database snapshot name as a pubs underscore snap1. The other one is what is the actual data file name. Then the next one is the physical file name. So you can name as you like. The extension here is SNP. So that's a data file name. When we go to demo, that time we will see how to get this data file name. Then this is actually the snapshot file name, and then this is actually the database. So database of pubs, and in that which specific data file name we are taking the snapshot, then a snapshot file name. And once you take a snapshot, you can see that under the database node, database snapshot, here if you see we have pubs snap 01 that is displayed here. It also shows that the snapshots are read-only, and you can also see the file get created in the specified location. Now let's go to the demo. Here we are at SQL Server Management Studio. When you expand database, you can see a node for database snapshots. Here we have 4 sample database. Alright, pubs, Northwind, and Adventure Work. These are all the sample databases. Now we will look at the data file name for pubs. So first we are using the use statement, use pubs. After that we are executing the stored procedure help file. And if you see, it shows you the name of the data file group is primary, and in the usage you can see this is data only, and the second one is log only for the pubs. The same way, if I use Northwind, you will see the data files for Northwind. So let's go ahead with the pubs. And if you see, the name for data only file group here is pubs.mdf, and I mean MDF, name is pubs. So using this information, we don't need to take a snapshot of this pubs log. We need to take a snapshot for this MDF. That means the data only group we have to use. So this is the data only file group, and we will use the pubs name to create the database snapshot. So we already talked about this query. Now we will execute it. So here we don't have a F. We will go with the C drive temp1, and it states that commands completed successfully. And in C drive temp1 you can see the database snapshot name, or the database snapshot is created. This is actually the file name, and this is the physical storage for the snapshot. And in SQL Server, if you expand the snapshot, you will see the snapshot which we created. So the snapshot we created is pubs snap 01. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.